Alright guys, there's date and time on my iPhone XR. And right now we happen to be inside the State Street Capitol parking garage here in downtown Madison, Wisconsin. So before we take a ride on the elevators, which we will do in this video, let's take a look at some of the buildings. There's the downtown part where the state capitol is. I'm not exactly sure who that figure is on the very top, but yeah. That's some apartment buildings over here. And I believe that building is part of the university. What's interesting is that when you drive in Madison going east, you first hit the university town before you hit the actual downtown area. And this is pretty much, and this garage pretty much is located in the downtown area. So now we're going to take a look at some buildings over here. There's a walkway that goes to this building. Not sure what it is. As you can see, it's got some really nice artwork down there. There's some graffiti over there. And I believe that's the Overture Center, which has a ThyssenKrupp elevator in the main part, as well as another one in like the gallery area, and one at the Madison Museum of Contemporary Art, which is adjacent from it. So there's that. Also, take a look at these cool bells. Huh. And they seem to be made by Federal Signal Corporation. That's cool. It must be the alarm bell for the elevator. But with all that being said, let's take a ride on these elevators right here. Now, as you guys probably know, MontgomeryKONE elevators are not rare. However, they do happen to be rare in the state of Wisconsin, as from what I've been told from Alex, aka Wisconsin Sirens and Elevators. So, without further ado, let's get started and take a ride on the elevators. And as you notice here, on this elevator, as well as an up and down button, you got another button that says Skywalk. I'm not sure where that, unless that's the only way you can get to the Skywalk. I don't know if there's a button inside the elevator for that, but we'll test that out in this video. And we're going to take a ride. I hope I'm not keeping you guys bored. Yes, I promise we will ride the elevators. And as you can see, they got Innovation Universal buttons. And here's this elevator. Now, let's head down to S. Let's see if that floor is locked. And, yep, looks like S is locked, so I'm going to go to the lobby. That's funny. The button cap for S is placed backwards. So I'm going to go out the window here. So here we are back down the lower level. Now we're going to ride up to 6. Okay, well, it's nowhere near 1 a.m., so that's not a problem. So now we're going to watch out the window. We'll get to see a view of downtown Madison. Here's that sky bridge, which the other elevator seems to provide access to. So here we're up at 6. And now let's ride back down to the lower level. As you can see, it's got an Innovation directional indicator. You're going to ride down to the lobby. So here you are back down at the lobby. Now I'm going to ride back up to 6 and watch the floor indicator and get a cat view. I just canceled my call. There we go. I'm going to watch the indicator. Huh, did they upgrade this indicator? I could have sworn it had like the older Montgomery indicator with the dot matrix display. But I guess they changed that. Huh. That's weird. We would never thought that they would have upgraded that part of the elevator. Anyways, here back up at 6. Now we're going to go down to lower level and ride the other elevator. Now, let's get our cab view. Nothing too special, just a plain elevator, but it's got a pretty nice view on the side. And of course, since we're still living in a COVID-19 pandemic, it's going to be signs saying the social distance, but it's not a problem since I'm the only one in the elevator. So there's the view out the window. There's the indicator right there for fire operation instructions. You seem to be in car 2. Here are your buttons. And there's your phone right there. So now we're going to send this one up to 6. We're going to try to get this one over here. And let's see what happens if we press 3R. Oh. Yep, so as you notice, this elevator has a rear door, unlike the other one. So now we're going to head to 6. I believe it's going to stop at 3R, since I called it. Actually, you can't go to 3R in this one, but I guess another option is to call this elevator to 3R from outside. And, okay. Bypassed it. Maybe it only works in the elevator. That's weird. I don't know why I had the 3R call button on the call button outside the elevator. So anyways, here we're up at 6. Now let's go right down to L. And this one also does not serve the S level. I believe S stands for staff or service, but it definitely goes down to a private area. And we're going to go stop at 3R. Just for the hell of it. And that's where 3R opens up to. And as you can see, it gives you access to that building right there. So I'm going to close this up. And write this down. So here we're back down at the lower level. And they actually kept this indicator, but they upgraded the other one. I don't know why it just dinged twice. Is there an external indicator? No, there is not. It must have been a glitch or something. Anyways, let's go up to 6 and watch this indicator, which I think is a lot cooler than the other one. So here we're up at 6. Which opens up to the roof, the parking garage, obviously. Looks like that's a church right there, as it's got the clocks right on top. And we're looking up. Let's take a look at that building. There's another building right there. And while we're up here, let's get a look at, we'll look at the shaft. You guys looking up? There's your shaft equipment right there. You got Marine Accessories Company door interlock, and this elevator's going in nudge mode. But there's looking down the shaft, by the way. You're like 1, 2, 3. There's 7 stories up, and there's what nudge mode sounds like on the MontgomeryKONE elevator, in case you're wondering, or I guess a Montgomery elevator. So now let's get our cab view. So much the other one, except this one's got a rear door. There's your fan up there. There's your indicator. And there's your MontgomeryKONE logo, which is proof that this is a MontgomeryKONE. Firefighter operation instructions, like another one. This time we're in car 1. Here are your fixtures. And there's your phone right there. And nope, you're not going to close on me. Now we're going to take a look up the shaft on this one. You can really see up. isn't looking up the shaftway just fun, guys? And there are the gears that connect to the door operator. And just for the hell of it, we can send this up to 6 and watch it go out if we can. Actually, I think we better do it from 1. Oh, looks like I accidentally called that one. What I meant to do is send it from 6, but I had a little brain fart for a sec, thinking that I was on the first floor, but apparently I'm not. If I want to watch the elevator go up, I have to actually get out and go around. Alright, so here at 1, we're going to quickly get out of here. Let me see if I can catch the elevator before it leaves. Now we're going to watch it make its way up. Maybe I should have actually gone over there on the other side of the street, but whatever. I think it went up already, but while it's up there, let's get a little look down here. Can't really see much. Seems to be, it's definitely a traction elevator since it's got the roping. There's some more door equipment right there. Some junction box, I don't know if you guys can see it. There you go. And as well as some more shaft equipment down there. Let's see, is this one, do I want? You know what, guys, since I have time, I'm actually going to send another elevator up to 6 and try to go across that street. So I'm going to do that real quick. I want to speed up the process. That one seems to be lit for some reason. Up here's this one. So now what I'm going to do, or can I get out this way? Actually, I'm gonna go out that way this time to make it quicker. So I'm gonna send this up to 6. We're gonna immediately dash across the street. And of course that car has to be in the way. Alright. Anyways, that elevator goes up. And I think we'll end the video from here. Hope you guys enjoyed a ride in those elevators, and that'll be it.